IBM's supercomputer nicknamed Watson is at South by Southwest in Austin, Texas this week, but it's not competing on a TV quiz show. Rather, it's helping chefs come up with unique, personalized recipes.
So if you were to look inside of the systems that are running in the IBM cloud, what you see is a system that was trained on 35,000 different recipes, as if it was digesting a giant cookbook. From reading that cookbook, it's learned an awful lot about different cuisines and the ingredients that are often used in the cuisine, the ingredients that are often paired together, and what it takes to make a particular dish. So what it is that makes, say, a burrito different from soup, or Japanese cuisine different from Tex-Mex.
Chemoinformatics turns flavors into molecular formulas, and then Watson is able to pair formulas together to make a dish pleasing to the human palate. Throughout the week, Twitter users can vote on which ingredients they want to be paired. Attendees at the convention then can sample the results like Italian grilled lobster, Ecuadorian strawberry dessert, and Vietnamese apple kebabs.
So when a chef looks at an ingredient, he thinks of the history of the ingredients and recipes where it's been used. And the system does a little bit of the same, of course, but also it looks at the chemical composition of that ingredient. So to understand why they go together, you have to look at the flavor compounds that are found in these ingredients. And we can take the example of decanal. This is a flavor compound that's found in pork and apple. So you see two ingredients that have nothing to do with one another, and yet they share a chemical compound called decanal.
Watson's computing power is being used in big data applications within healthcare and financial fields. It's able to comb through massive amounts of information to help people make decisions. The system gained fame when it competed on the popular US game show Jeopardy, where it beat its human competitors. For the IDG News Service, I'm Nick Barber.